Good morning, girls. So our topic for today is about surface area of triangular prism. So open your books to page 773. First example, Raj and his dad are building a ramp to move his dirt bag onto a trailer. So this is the ramp. First thing we need to do is to identify the faces. We got the front, which is this side. I will draw it here. This is how the front face looks like. And what shape is this? It has how many sides? 1, 2, 3. So it is a triangle. Next we have the back, which is this part, which is in the same shape as in the front face. So we'll draw it also. And since it has 1, 2, 3 sides, so we call it a triangle. Next, the top, which is this part. So we will draw it here. What's the shape of the face? It has 4 sides. We call it rectangle. The bottom, which is the down part of it, which is this one. Which is also a rectangle. And the side, which is this part. I'll draw it. And it's also a rectangle. Okay. So what's the use of finding all the faces of the surface area of a triangular prism? These faces will help us to know what are the area of each sides or each faces of the triangular prism. Let's go to the next page, page 774. Surface area of a triangular prism. The surface area of a triangular prism is the sum of the areas of the 2 triangular bases and the 3 rectangular faces. So in triangular prism, we will be having 2 triangles, which is the same area, We also have 3 rectangular faces. Okay, and 2 of the rectangles are having the same area. So in this lesson, we will be using the formula of getting the area from the lesson from the past, which is we know the formula in getting the area of a triangle is equals to base times the height divided by 2. For rectangle, the area of rectangle equals base multiplied by the height. So we will be using this formula for this lesson. Okay, what's a triangular prism? A triangular prism is a prism that has triangular bases. When the bases are equilateral triangles, the areas of the 3 rectangular faces are equal. So meaning when the bases or the triangles are equilateral, meaning all sides are equal, then the 3 rectangular faces are also equal, as you can see here. Okay, you can use a net to find the surface area of a triangular prism. First, example number 1, Find the surface area of a triangular prism. So this is the given figure. We can see there that this is a triangle, right? And the base of the triangle is 1. And the height is this red line, which is 0.9 centimeter. And of course, whatever the area of this face will be also the area of the other triangle. Okay, so we will solve for that triangle first. Area of triangle equals base, which is 1, times the height, which is 0.9, divided by 2. Okay, so area of triangle equals 1 times 0.9. What do we have? Good job. We got 0.9 divided by 2. Then 0.9 divided by 2, we will divide it. What did we get? We got 0.45 as the area of the first face. But since we have two faces, that's why you can see on your book 0.45 and another 0.45. It's because we have two triangular faces, this and this. Or if we expanded, we got this and this part are the same area. Alright, next, let's have the rectangle. This, or the bases, or the base of the triangle, we got this. The base is 1 and the height is 2. So 1, area of the rectangle is 1 times 2. That would be equal to 2. That's why, as you can see here, we got 2. Also, the two rectangles has a base and a height of 1 and 2. So when we multiply it, it's 2 multiplied by 1. We will get 2 also. And on other faces, which is this one, we know that this face and this face are equal. So also the area of it is 2. Like on this figure. This rectangle and another rectangle there are equal. So, in finding the total surface area of a triangular prism, we have to add everything. 0.45 plus another 0.45 plus 2 plus 2 and plus 2. That will be equal to 6.9 square centimeters. Or we can write 6.9 cm square since we're talking about area. Clear? Let's have more example. Look at letter A. Find the surface area of a triangular prism. Let's start from the faces or the triangular faces. Since there's no red line here, we'll go to the another faces. Anyway, they're equal. This triangle. What is the base of the triangle? Area of triangle equals, what's the base? This is the base. But the other side is given, which is 6. And we know this side and that sides are equal since they are parallel to each other. So we'll write 6 multiplied by the height. This is the height of the triangle, which is 5.2 divided by 2. Okay, so 6 times 5.2, what do we have? Can you solve it also? You got 31.2 divided by 2. So what will be the value of the area of a triangle? We got how many? Okay, we can solve on the side. 31.2 divide by 2. 3 divide 2, that's 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. Bring down 1. 11 divide 2, that's 5. 5 times 2, it's 10. 1 minus 0 is 1. Bring down 2. Since the decimal is there, we have to put the decimal as well. 12 divided 2, we got 6. 16 divided 2 is 12. We got 0. So we get 15.6 cm. Alright, let it wait. Put it on the side. That's for the first phase. 15.6 cm plus another 15.6 cm. Why do we use 15.6 cm 2 times? Because we have 2 triangles, right? This and this. Got it? Now, let's solve for the vase, or the faces, or rectangular faces. This. Okay? So, area of rectangle equals to base times height. What is the base of the rectangle? This side. What is this? We got 7, correct, because this is 7 and also this is 7, so they are equal. We got 7 multiplied by the height, which is the 6. So area of rectangle is 7 by 6. That would give us 42 cm square. Don't forget the square. Alright? So since we have 2 faces, this face and the other side, that means we will put here plus 42 cm square plus 42 cm square. Okay, now let's solve for the base, the rectangular down this side. Okay, here's 6 and this is what? 7 also. So we will also get 42, the same. So we'll add another 42 cm square. Got it? Then the last step is to add everything. 15.6 plus 15.6 plus 42 plus 42 plus 42. We'll add it on the side. Since we don't have a space, you can use your notebook to write your solution. So I have here 15.6 plus 15.6. 42 should be written here because the decimal should be aligned. Plus 42 and another 42 since we have 3 rectangles. 6 plus 6, we got 12. 1 up, 2 down. 1 plus 5 is 6. Plus 5, 11. Plus 2, 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 1 up, 7 down. By the way, the decimal should be aligned, so you have to put a decimal here. 1 plus 1, 2, 3, plus 4 is 7, plus 4, 11, plus 4, 15. So we got 157.2 in total. So we'll write it here. 157.2 cm square. That would be the answer for number 1. Got it? We'll have more example for you to fully understand.